We'll guide you through how to find Gumroad alternatives. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open your web browser and go to your search engine. Type in Gumroad Alternatives 2025 and hit enter. You'll find a list of articles and resources that have been updated with the most recent options. Click on a few of these articles to get a sense of the different platforms available. Some popular alternatives include Patreon, Ko-fi, Etsy, and Podia. These platforms each have their own unique features and benefits, so it's important to evaluate what you need. For instance, if you're looking for a platform that supports subscription-based content, Patreon might be a great choice. If you're more interested in selling physical or digital products, Etsy could be the way to go. To dive deeper into each option, visit their official websites. You can usually find detailed feature lists and pricing information there. Look for user reviews as well to get a sense of any potential issues or benefits from real users. Additionally, many of these platforms offer free trials or demo versions, so take advantage of those to explore the interface and functionality before committing. Remember to consider factors like platform fees, ease of use, and the community or audience reach when making your decision. By comparing these elements, you can find the best fit for your content and business needs. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.